Now we are going to discuss about cell as I have told you in the before class. Okay? Can, can we start? Say, can we start? In 3, 2, but one thing. Be ready with a book, pen, and a fresh mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now you can see this. Let's see. This, you think, this is a brick. What? This is a brick. And do you know this is a wall? This is a brick and this is a wall. A number of bricks form a wall. So similarly, a body is made up of trillions, millions, and billions of cells. This is a cell. A body is made up of millions, trillions, and billions of cells. So this is a body. Okay? Now you understood? This is a brick. Number of bricks make a wall. Number of cells make a body is made up of cells. Wall is made up of bricks. So bricks is the structural unit. What? Bricks is the structural unit. Structural unit. So structural unit of a wall is a brick. Basic structural unit. The structural unit of a wall is a brick. Similarly, the structural unit of a body, which basic, is a cell. What? Cell. So, you understood what is a cell. Now let's see further. Let's see further, huh? Now we are going to see a sequence. What? We are going to see a sequence. Please note the sequence. Please note it down who don't know the sequence. Okay? Let's see. Firstly, sequence. Firstly, cell. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's see here. The first in the sequence is the cell. The first in the sequence is the cell. Next is the tissue. And the next is the organ and organ system and organism and a colon. Number of cells. Number of cells make a tissue. Number of tissues make an organ. Number of organs make an organ system. Number of organ systems makes an organism. Number of organisms makes a colony. Okay, now let's move further. Now let's see first, what is a cell? As I have said you all, cell is the basic structural unit of a living organism. Okay, so let's see what are the parts or basic parts of a cell. Okay, let's see. So, this is a cell. Okay, now let's see the different parts in it. First, this is the nucleus. What is this? Nucleus. The in the center of the cell is its nucleus, and the jelly substance, in middle is called as cytoplasm. What? Cytoplasm. Middle is a nucleus, and the jelly substance between is the cytoplasm. And the membrane which is dividing the nucleus, which is separating the nucleus in cytoplasm, is known as nuclear membrane. What is this? It is known as nuclear membrane. See, this is the nuclear membrane. What is this? Nuclear membrane. Okay. The next part is the outer shell of a cell. It is nothing but cell membrane. Okay. Now let me say the spellings. Now you can see the different parts of cells. See this. First one is in the center, nucleus, and N-E-U-C-L-E-U-S, N-U-C-L-E-U-S, nucleus. And the next is the nuclear membrane, N-U-C-L-E-U-A-R-M-E-M-B-R-A-N-E, nuclear membrane. It divides the nucleus from cytoplasm. It divides. Remember, it divides nucleus and cytoplasm. And outermost part of the cell is cell membrane. Okay? C-E-L-L-M-A-M-B-R-A-N-E. Let's move on. Now you have understood what is a cell. I will draw a neat diagram for you to note if you don't know. Okay? See it. Okay. I think you can see it, huh? 1 minute. If you can't see, 1 minute. Now can you see? Okay. See properly. This is a nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nuclear membrane. Okay? Now let's move on. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. There's nothing special about it, but let's see this. Next one we are going to talk about is the tissue. There's something more special about it. Let's see. Cell. Number of cells make a tissue. Number of cells make a tissue. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. That is none other than number of cells make an organ. Number of cells make an organ. Okay, now let's see what are the different types of organs you all know. Like the nose, eyes, nose, eyes, ears, tongue, liver, heart, pancreas, stomach, and a lot more. And a lot more. Okay, now you understood. Number of cells make an organ. Now let's see. Let's move on. And let's move on to the next one. That is okay. Now let's move on. The next one is organ system. Okay, let's see. Number of organs make an organ system. You all know this. Now let's see some different types of digestive systems. First one, digestive system. Second one, circulatory system. Third one, nervous system. Now I'm giving you a task. You write any three more systems in the comments box. Don't forget to write any three more systems in the comment box. Okay, let's move on. Now let's see an example. See, this is digestive system. Okay, let's see the parts. Means to say that organ systems are made up of organs. See, first is mouth, esophagus or food pipe, and third is the stomach. Okay, let's see. Is mouth an organ? Yes, mouth is an organ. Is esophagus an organ? Yes, esophagus is also an organ. Now, is stomach an organ? No, just joking. Stomach, yes, stomach is also an organ. So, this is an organ, this is an organ, this is an organ. All are organs. So, this is an organ system. All organs combine to form an organ system. So, hence, with an example, we understood that organ systems are made up of organs. And for circulatory system, like see, heart is an organ, and the brain are organs. And nervous system, brain is an organ, nerves are organs. And so let's move on to the next thing. Okay, next one. That's it. Now we should move on to the next one. That is what? What? Body. What is this? What is body? Not body. It's organism. Any living body. What? Any living body. Simple. For example, let's take a human body. Human body, okay? body, there are a number of systems. Okay, let's see. And by the way, if you have not still commented the other three systems, please comment now. Why? Because I'm going to say those also. So please quickly. So now pause the video and comment and again resume it. Okay, let's see. Firstly, in the human body, there is what? Digestive system. Digestive system, okay, and nervous system, circulatory system. Now, I'm going to say the next others. Excretory system, digestive system, nervous system, circulatory system, excretory system, skeletal system, muscular system, and um, and if girls, reproductive system. So these are the different types of systems. These all combined make a human body. What? Human body. Understood? Like this only. For example, let's take another living organism. Like, let's take earthworm. You all know earthworm, huh? Earthworm has, huh? It has muscular system, it has respiratory system, but it has circulatory, nervous. But there is only one thing which is missing in it. Can anybody comment in the box? I will say at the last of the video what is missing. There's one system missing. Okay. Let's move on to the next and last topic of today's class. That is sixth one. Colony. You all have heard about colony, a country, a continent, a colony, where to say in Telugu, Vidi. Vidi. In that colony, there are a number of people. In the street or colony, there are a number of people. Are you the only one living in a colony? Do you only one live in a Vidi? Nahi. Only one does not live in a colony. Number of organisms. You think humans? Number of humans make a human colony. You think ants? Number of ants make a ant colony, community. So like that. Number of or some one kind of organisms make a colony. So number of organisms make a colony. Okay, that's it. And did you think about that? Did you comment in the comments box about the earthworm question? Earthworm is very creepy, but it's not that much creepy. But it's. Do you know one thing about earthworms? Huh? Do you know about earthworms? They are known as friends of farmers as they make vermicompost, which helps the farmers a lot for plants. So they are known as friends of farmers. Huh? So let's see. Earthworm, last. First, keep it in the comments box. Then only use 6. This is very simple at which system it does not have. See, we have bone, we are body. We are able to sit, we are able to stand, we are able to think. Because we have a definite shape. We have a definite shape. But does earthworm has a definite shape? It will crawl, it will crawl, it will park, it will look, it will stand, it will creep, it will long. This all is its shape. There is no definite shape. But for a human body, there is a definite shape. And what gives it this definite shape? Which system? It is nothing but skeletal system. So why does not it have a definite shape? As it does not have a skeletal system. Very simple. Now you have understood. Now we have come to the end of the class. Once again, see those all. For you all, I am once again keeping a sequence for the last time. Here you go, see it. Cell. Number of cells make a tissue. Number of tissues make an organ. Number of organs make an organ system. Number of organ systems make an organism. Number of organisms makes a colony. What? Number of organisms make a colony. So, by this what do you understand? First in the sequence is the cell. So, cell is a basic structural unit of any living organism. Cell is a basic structural unit. Okay, now we have come to the end of the class. Oh, we have come to the end of the class. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you did not click the notification bell, घंटा आइकॉन को दबाइए जी और ऑल को क्लिक कीजिए. आपको बहुत बहुत अच्छे वीडियो मैं भेजूंगा. हाँ? Love you all. Please make 100 subscribers. Thank you. And have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. IAS Toppers Kids.